bring out the walk-in box unit. Those two were flat. I'm gonna change the evaporator coil on this one. These are all getting new evap coils. And then, oh God, mama. I think we're gonna have to clean up all the pigeon shit. Cut that insulation out. Probably remove this condensing unit to clean it. That one too. I'll show you guys this. It's all been reinforced now to keep the birds out, so damn. That's gonna be the dirty nasty. Woo! Dirty nasty, baby, dirty nasty. And welcome to Dave's demo. Demolition Derby. We're gonna build up a new coil here. I got some goodies we're gonna build up. Look at this peach. Dave's demo. Okay, I do got my wet rags, but I did go out and purchase this. I don't even know who makes this one. Wet rag. Refrigeration Technologies. Sorry, Solder Weld, your guys' product was not at RSD. So you need to get your sales guy to the wholesale house. I probably would have bought the solder weld one. Probably to support my boy AK H.V.A.C. because I like his YouTube channel. But today's winner was Refrigeration Technologies because they had their stuff at the parts house. So yeah, I'll put a little dig on like that. Why not? We're gonna try this. I'm gonna wrap the TXV in this stuff and the solenoid valve when I build up this evaporator coil. Let's do it. So it's new nozzle sizes because of the 448A and 449A. So there'll be a chart now in here instead of one saying 404A, 134A, da-da-da, or R22. It has L-1 or L-1-1/2. Then there's a chart here. I got the 130 coil medium temp. I'm gonna run 404A, so I'm gonna be nozzle L1. If you're gonna be 448A, you do the other nozzle. This nozzle is a lot bigger. The 448A nozzle is a lot bigger than the 404A. So in the future, dropping 448A into a 404A system, gonna need to change more than probably the TXV and stuff. If this is what the OEMs are doing, it's a big difference. It's just a heads up. They got a cone in there now that pokes up and it goes into the nozzle. It's pretty interesting to help divert evenly the refrigerant. It's pretty good upgrade. All right, so I got some of the wet rag stuff. I put some around the distributor and then some to protect TXV. I'm gonna make this weld first, and then I'll position it in there for the equalizer too, and then we'll make up our liquid line with the solenoid. Let's see how she goes.
Yo pussy basura, my pussy horchata.